Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Snapchat account forever. Now, first of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up the Snapchat, click on your Bitmoji at the top left, and from here go ahead to the settings gear at the top right, and then scroll a little bit down until you find the account actions. You're gonna see an option called delete account. Click on it, and basically they will ask you to verify via your account and your password basically. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter my Snapchat username and password, and after I confirm that this is my account, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let me confirm by via facial recognition. Basically hit next. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and enter your password right here and follow along the on-screen instructions. Basically, if you want to leave the Snapchat, just continue right here. It says account deactivated. Your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. If you have verified email address with Snapchat, they will send you a confirmation once that happens. In 30 days your account will be deleted, and if you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat. Alright, so let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.